If you've taken the first course, then you know what the 10 skills are. And if you're joining us for the first time, you don't know what they are. These 10 skills are not linear. You can think of them individually and then how they interface together. The order that we gave originally was kindness, awareness, patience, attention to detail, seeing what needs to be done and doing it, second set of arms, second set of eyes, humor, delight, and clarity. However, these skills morph. They not only morph in how we use each skill towards ourself in each of the 5 phases in pregnancy, but how we use each skill to our baby and to our baby's father. So in this course between 24 and 36 weeks, we're not going to use the same order. Some of the skills are very heightened now, and some of them really sit on the back burner. 24 to 36 weeks is sort of the golden phase of pregnancy. You've gone from conception to 12 weeks, where the shock of being pregnant, even if you wanted to get pregnant, has resided. If you've been sick and unwell, that's hopefully resided. From 12 to 24 weeks, you've gone from feeling better and being able now to feel your uterus above your pubic bone, to your uterus growing to your navel, beginning from about 18 to 22 weeks to feeling slight movements of your baby, and by 24 weeks, really being certain you're feeling the movements. But between 24 and 36 weeks, this is when women are settled into pregnancy. They're comfortable with being pregnant by and large. There may be health issues. They may be facing health issues surrounding the birth for themselves or their baby. But most women, this is when everybody goes, pregnant women glow. They're so beautiful. Your belly's so beautiful. You don't feel like a washing machine with a load off balance. You feel great. Your baby is growing. And this is a wonderful, wonderful time. So many of these 10 skills just sort of settle down so that you can enjoy it. At the same time, this is when you need to start to prepare your body to give birth, whether you're going to labor and have a vaginal birth, whether you labor and end up with an unplanned cesarean, whether you plan an elective non-laboring cesarean, or whether you're planning to have a vaginal birth after cesarean, which will end up with one of those 3 births. Regardless, your hormones are now shifting from pregnancy towards giving birth. And this is where you come into these 2 pathways now where you use these skills. One is to continue your pregnancy and enjoy it. And the second is to begin to prepare for the birth of your baby so that you have these skills and other skills to feel confident when you go through the activity of birthing your baby.